Right. Baard gegroei, hare gegroei. Hier zit ons nog met een leerlingsboek met bijvoeglijke naamwoorden en adjectieven. Hoe gebruiken mensen hier goed? Right, how do we use it? Dat zijn bijvoeglijke naamwoorden is beschrijvende woorden. So it helps us to describe our noun. Then they give us some examples there. And then all we have to do is find our noun. Alright? This is our noun. This is our describing word. So there, can you see an arrow there? It helps us to show the position of our noun and our describing word. This little word here is, that one is a verb. Right? It says there, jy sal sien, die beskrywende woord kan na die woordjie is staan, of dit kan direk voor die selfstandige naamwoord staan. Right, daar is die woordjie is, daar is ons beskrywende woord, then it is behind us in this position. This here, this form here, we call this predicative form. Then on this side, we have attributive form. Ek trek met 'n warm yster. Now the position of the describing word and the noun have changed. Right. So when we look at changing word sentences into attributive form, we look at the position of our describing word and our noun. There is our describing word in second position. Our noun is in the first position. On attributive form, describing word is in position 1 and our noun is in position 2. All right.